Let's be honest, most online businesses need money to start. But what if you could launch a profitable AI side hustle this week without spending a single cent? I'm talking about using free tools that you already have access to. No coding, no ads, and no complicated setup. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it. Traditional make money online methods are crowded. AI has flipped that script completely. Today, time is your only investment because these tools handle almost everything else. You just need to know how to connect the dots. Let's start simple. Your first move is to pick one easy service that you can deliver with AI and that people actually want. You could write product descriptions or social media captions. You could generate video scripts for YouTube or TikTok creators. All three of these can earn you $15 to $50 per order using free software only. Now set up your free toolkit. ChatGPT for writing, Canva for design, Notion to organize your workflow, Google Drive to store and share your work, and Fiverr or Reddit to find your first buyers. Spend half an hour creating a simple Notion page to track each client, their name, what they ordered, the price, and the delivery date. Congratulations! That's a micro-business system, not just another random gig. The best part? You don't need ads or fancy marketing. Here's how you'll get clients for free. Post short examples of your work inside Facebook or Reddit communities. Once you land a client, use AI to deliver fast. Let's say someone orders 10 Instagram captions. Ask for their brand tone and keywords. Then tell ChatGPT, write 10 short captions for a business in this niche. Keep each under 15 words and add emojis. Copy the results into Canva. Proofread with Grammarly. Export as a clean PDF and send it. You just delivered a paid project in under 30 minutes. Do that 10 times a week, and you're already at $200 to $300 a month, all with free tools. After 3 to 5 small jobs, it's time to scale. Bundle your services into packages, AI caption packs, AI video script packs, AI email templates. Create a Fiverr or Gumroad listing with a clear headline and one short demo video explaining what the client receives. That single video can bring in recurring buyers who message you every week. Here's the mindset that makes this work. You don't need to know everything before you start. You just need one repeatable workflow that delivers value. Consistency beats complexity every single time. Start simple. Repeat what works. Build systems that earn even when you're offline. Before you go, grab the free AI Money Starter Kit. The link is right below. Subscribe for more practical ways to build income with AI. Because here on Purposefully AI, it's always simple systems, real income,